not getting enough interview calls, I'm going to give you 5 tips. These are 5 LinkedIn tips, and you will work like a pro. You become a LinkedIn pro. These tips will help you to get noticed by the recruiters. No point in sending 100 resumes via emails or applying to job portals. Just do these 5 things and do it consistently. It will get you those interview calls. Here is the first thing. You need to have your profile up to date. What is up to date profile is you need to have your profile photo DP, perfect DP. Don't wear any grails or don't wear a hat. To have a perfect photo, you need to have that banner properly designed, your headline, your summary, your experience. I'll be giving you a course, so it's a free course. You follow that course, and in that course I've taught across 14 to 15 modules, each element about how to create your specific and perfect LinkedIn profile. Second thing, you need to add all the skills. Now, how do you get those skills? You go on the job description. So these are the jobs that you are looking to apply for. Copy the job description and paste it on a word cloud. Once you paste it on a word cloud, the number of times specific top 10 keywords that get repeated, you copy those keywords and now create your profile and your headline using those keywords. Even don't forget to use those keywords as a part of your experience, because the more those keywords reflect in your profile, it will make it so whenever a recruiter is searching for people with those particular specific skills, your profile will be on top 10 ranking, not just on LinkedIn. It will also rank on Google search. So I'm repeating the second tip again. Identify what are those skills which are required in your dream job. And to identify, use a word cloud generator. It will throw you the words which are repeated quite often. And if they are repeated, say more than 4 times, use those particular keywords as a part of your skills. Second thing has been knocked off. Third thing. Third is start posting. Maybe 3 times a week, but once you start posting, LinkedIn algorithm will automatically start seeing your profile becoming active. As you become active in your network and in your peer industry, it will get search the top 10 results. You will reflect in the top 10 results. Now comes the fourth thing. Fourth thing is you activate the jobs button, and please activate the job alerts for those particular jobs. What you need to also do is you can go on those specific companies where you want to look out for jobs, and if the job is not open in that particular company, you can set the alert over there. So this is our fourth thing. And the fifth thing, uh, don't miss out on this particular fifth thing. This is the most important. Start networking with recruiters. Don't wait for the recruiters to come and notice you, because it is a time consuming process. Everyone is thinking in that fashion. So you need to go out and network with recruiters. You need to send them a personalized connection request. Identify who are the recruiters in those target companies and send them personalized connection request. 90% of the time they accept those connection requests. Once you start networking with them, what is the second step? Once they have connected with you, the second step is try to see that if you can send them network with them for an informational round of interview, wherein you can ask them that, okay, I'm looking to work in a company like where you are working, and I really, it inspires me what the work the company is doing and everything. Don't impersonate this particular thing, or don't try to ghost it, or don't try to be like, you have to be passionate. They will make out if you are not passionate, that you just really want the job, you are not passionate to work in the company or this particular industry. Once they know about it, what will happen is they will invite you for information round of interview. And in the information round of interview, what you can exactly do is you can start asking them questions, start knowing them much better. What will happen as a result is, if there isn't any open position, they will definitely email you are the first person they will email you the open position before even they send it on LinkedIn. That's where you will start getting interview calls. And this is how you generate interview calls basically. So don't forget these 5 tips. I'm repeating these 5 tips again. Your profile needs to be updated. You need to have your skills as a part of job description, the important skills part of your profile. You need to regularly post content on LinkedIn to become part of LinkedIn algorithm as active content creator. You need to start networking with the recruiters. You need to have that jobs port open, so all the job alerts you will start getting it. See you in the next video. Bye.